Hi, my name is Zara. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up physical channel alarms as well as calculation channel alarms on FlexLogger using a CDEC. So for this example, I want to set up two different alarms. The first one being when the light sensor goes above 6 lumens. I also want to set up alarm when the temperature sensor goes above 22 degrees. So one thing I can do for the light sensor, I can go ahead and click the channel and go to the section for alarms and double click there. And it will give me the configuration for alarms. So I'll keep these settings the same, and I want to do the value change as rise above value, do it as a critical alarm, and I'm going to change the value to 6 lumens, and I'm going to go ahead and click done. For the temperature channel alarm, I want to do it a little bit differently. I'll be adding a calculation. So I'm going to click add channels in the top corner and click calculation, and I want to do a Boolean formula. So for this, I'm going to call it high temperature, and I will start typing in temp, which is our channel name, and it'll be greater than 23 degrees Celsius, and I'll click done. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and click alarms so that I can set up the alarm, and the alarm's name is high temperature, and I'm going to click value change is high and set that up as a critical alarm as well. So right now we have two different alarms set up for when the light sensor goes above 6 lumens, as well as when the temperature sensor detects a temperature above 23 degrees. So I'm going to go to our screen tab so we can view the temperature and light sensor data, and I'm going to click run, and this will start logging our data. But to activate the alarms, I will put my phone flashlight onto the light sensor, and we can see in the top right corner we are getting 2 active alarms that are present, and you can see instantly that our alarms are active and showing up on FlexLogger. So I'm going to take those away and let them get back to their normal temperature and light sensor, and you can see that FlexLogger will notify you as 2 cleared alarms. And in this video, we learned how to set up alarms 2 different ways, through the physical channel as well as setting up an alarm for a calculation channel. Thank you so much for watching.